thank you so much for clicking on this video. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone that watched my last video. I really appreciate it. So today we can make an easy homemade pizza dough. This recipe has a few basic ingredients and takes no time at all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So before we get into the next part of the recipe, I really wanted just to talk about the flour. Depending on what type of flour you use, it makes a huge difference to the texture of the dough. For this recipe, to keep things really simple and accessible, I use plain flour. So that's flour without any raisin agents. And this flour will make the pizza crust more crispy. But if you want something that's on the chewier side, it's best to use bread flour. The reason it's chewier is because it has more protein in it. But if you're thinking, I want something in the middle, like an authentic pizza dough, then your best bet is to go for 00 flour. This will give you the perfect texture of chewy and crispy. So let's see how to make the pizza dough.
Okay, so you will need your flour of choice and some warm water. This is really important to activate the yeast. And caster sugar, your active dry yeast, salt, and oil of choice, but not coconut oil. So now we're going to activate the yeast. To do this, you just need your warm water. Make sure it's not too hot, otherwise it will kill the yeast. And we're going to add the yeast into that and the sugar. Now the yeast will feed on the sugar and you should start to notice the mixture going all bubbly. That's how you know the yeast is fully activated. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes. So let's get on with making the dough. So we're going to grab our bowl and put our flour of choice into it. We're also going to add the salt at this point. Now we're going to add that lovely bubbly yeasty mixture. And the final thing is the oil. Now you can knead this by hand, but I prefer to use my standard mixer. So if you have one, it's probably easier to use this. So you're going to first of all put it on speed 1, and that's just going to combine the ingredients together. Now as you can see, the mixture has come together nicely, so you can now move on to speed 2. Now that the dough is all ready, you just need to cover the bowl with either foil or a tea towel, and you're going to place it somewhere warm. It's best not to put it anywhere too hot, otherwise it will kill the yeast and the dough won't rise at all. You want to let the dough rise for about 2 to 3 hours. So it's been a couple of hours, so now we can take the dough out of the warm place. And now we need to knock back the dough. So all you have to do is gently push down on the dough, or you can do what I did and use a spatula. And as you do this, you start to see all those air bubbles. So now you've knocked back the dough, your dough is ready to use to make your pizzas. This recipe makes enough for 2 medium-sized pizza bases. So all you do is roll out the dough, spread on your pizza sauce, add your favourite vegan toppings, cook it in the oven at 210°C until nice and golden. If you want a really easy pizza sauce recipe, I've linked one in the description box below.
Great, so now you know how to make easy, simple, authentic pizza dough. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy making it too. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I thought I'd add this part in just to show you how many mistakes I make, and it's a lot.
Great! Great! Matty, stop it! You make me laugh because I can see your face. Good. Oh, I said stop it. No, I've got me day. I thought we could. Oh, I can't. This is so awkward. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to the video. I just wanted to quickly say a huge thank you to everyone. Stop it.